Let's see how to disable protected view in Microsoft Word. So first, you want to open up Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our documents. So by default standards, Microsoft has enabled protected view for some documents, especially for documents that are from other people. And this is to discourage editing or most especially unwanted editing by other people before they export that document. However, if we want to disable this default setting, we can go over to the File tab. Let's click on Options. And right here at the bottom, we can see Trust Center. Let's click on that and open Trust Center settings. And right here, Protected View, we have to uncheck all of these checkboxes to disable Protected View. And there you go. Protected View is now disabled, and whenever you view a document, you can edit it right away. See you soon!